What is up, everybody? My name is Josh. On today's show, grilled lemon pepper chicken wings on your gas grill. Let's jump into it. Super quick and easy recipe. Use some party wings that we grabbed at Costco. We're gonna dust them up. We're gonna get them out on our Monument Grills Denali gas grill, and then Babe's gonna make a little sauce. We're gonna toss them in the sauce. Really easy, super fun chicken party wings. I think you guys are really gonna like it. All right, let's go. There's only one Babe that could be in full pajamas and latex gloves doing chicken wing things.
Doing chicken wing things?
Those are young chicken party wings. Those chickens gave their life to be a party wing. 4 ingredients: salt, pepper, garlic powder, olive oil in the wings.
I'm going to do about a tablespoon of salt. I like pepper, so let's do 2 tablespoons of pepper. And a tablespoon of garlic powder. We mix.
There's no need to marinate these. This is just a coating. So you can throw them on the grill right after you do this. These are ready to go outside. Get this thing fired up. Turn these knobs just like this. Bam! Now this is a pretty simple operation. Hot fire, chicken wings, flipping and turning a lot. Getting those grill marks on there. There we go. Oh, already starting our fun. And then we'll sauce them at the end with that lemon, pepper, garlic goodness. Actually, in all honesty, look, I put them in little rows. I turn these down a little bit. I turn the knobs down a little bit. I'm going to close this cover. I want to get them some just ambient heat for 10 minutes. I think now is a good time in the video to thank all of our channel members on YouTube, our Tier 2 and our Epic Tier 3 channel members. Thank you guys so much for hitting that little join button next to the subscribe button. Everybody on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter that shares our content, thank you, thank you, thank you. You support Babe and my little social media cooking hobby. All right, let's jump back into the show. Babe's pink always pan, our place, I don't know. Whatever, this is Babe's pan. As you can see, I moved the chicken wings around. It's been 10 minutes. Now we're gonna make a little sauce on the Monument Grills, and this sauce is gonna be nice. Let me introduce you to butter, lemon zest, garlic, black pepper, and salt. These will reserve for later to juice. And. Lemon zest, salt, pepper, butter, garlic. Just the smells coming out of this pink pan really smell good. It smells amazing, actually. So that will work out very, very well. Smells amazing. Let's flip these wings. I just want to move these around. You want to get them crispy. You want to get them nice. These are going to be drizzled and sizzled momentarily. Oh, yes. The smells coming out of this grill are just absolutely amazing. Oh, yeah. It's coming along. It's only been like less than 20 minutes. Monument Grills. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. I mean, the smells are really good. And then a quick lemon juice. Lemon juice. Perfect. And then, oh, it's good tossing.
Good tossing.
Actually, it's terrible tossing, but it's actually a really small bowl. We'll just move these around a little bit. And then we'll go inside and see Babe. That's green onion because, you know, we want pretty pictures and stuff like that. Boo, boo, boo. Good job, Babe.
No, you good job.
I'm glad you contributed to this video.
Still in my pajamas. Okay, let's see what you did.
Baby, you in your pajamas.
I still am.
Yeah.
5 o'clock. Haven't changed or brushed my teeth.
Oh, so you're eating that wing without brushing your teeth? Mm-hmm. People of YouTube are going to comment and be like, no, babe, no. Are you sure? Well, what do you think?
They're good.
That's Monty McGrill's gas grill lemon pepper chicken wing.
Very good.
A lot of garlic. Some fresh chives that you cut.
I contributed. You did good. Good job, babe.
All right. See you on the next video. Bye.